everyone, how are you? I hope you all are good and doing your maths work also very good, and all the questions and the worksheets also done by you students. Today we have a question from the NCERT book from the chapter number 2, that is polynomial. In this question we have a cubic equation, cubic polynomial here, that is 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2, and in the bracket we have 1 upon 2 comma 1 comma minus 2. So we need to prove two things here, that is 1 upon 2, 1 and 2 are the zero of this polynomial, and the second thing we need to prove that relationship between zeros and the coefficient of this polynomial. So first of all we will prove these 3 points or these 3 values are the zero of this polynomial. So we will take 1 upon 2. For finding these values as a zero of polynomial, we will put this value. Let px is equals to 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. So at the place of x we will put 1 upon 2, 1 and 2, and if the value of polynomial we will get 0. So these 3 values are the zero of polynomial of this polynomial. Understood? So we will put the first value, that is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 cube plus 1 upon 2 square minus 5 into 1 upon 2 plus 2. 2 into 2 cube is 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 4 minus 5 upon 2 plus 2. 2 4 ja 8, 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4, that is 2 upon 4 minus 5 upon 2 plus 2. LCM we will take 4, 2 minus 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10 plus 1 4 ja 1, 1 4 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Here we have 10 minus 10 upon 4, 10 and 10 cancel, and we have 0. So 1 upon 2 is a zero of polynomial of this polynomial. Second, we need to prove 1. So P1 is equals to 2 1 cube plus 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 2. 2 1 cube is 1, 1 square is 1, minus 5 1 ja 1, 5 1 ja 5 and 2. 2 plus 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4 and 1 5, and it is also equal to 0. So x is equals to 1 is also a zero of polynomial of 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. Third one we will solve, that is x is equals to 2. So P2 is equal to 2 ka cube plus 2 ka square minus 5 into 2 plus 2. 2 ka cube, that is 8 2 ja 16 plus 2 2 ja 4 minus 5 2 ja 10 and minus 2 we have here, minus 2 ka cube, that is minus 16, minus 2 ka square is 4, minus 2 minus minus plus 10 and plus 2. So minus 16, 4 plus 10, that is 14, plus 2 is plus 16. So plus 16 and minus 16 is equal to 0. So minus 2 also is a zero of polynomial of this polynomial. Now we need to find the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. So these are the zeros. Alpha is equals to 1 upon 2, beta is equals to 1, and gamma is equals to minus 2 we have. And what polynomial we have? Px is equal to, we have 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2, and the standard form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So ax cube, the value of a is equal to 2. The value of b is equal to 1. The value of c is equal to minus 5, and the value of d is equal to 2. So what is the relationship we have? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b upon a. Alpha we have 1 upon 2, beta we have 1, and gamma we have minus 2 is equals to minus b, minus 1 upon 2. So take LCM. 2 1 ja 2, 1, 1 2 ja 2, 2, 1 2 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. That is minus 4 is equals to minus 1 upon 2. 2 plus 1 3 and 4 minus 3 is minus 1 upon 2 is equals to minus 1 upon 2. So first relationship is verified. Minus 1 upon 2 is equals to minus 1 upon 2. Now the second relationship we will take. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to C upon A. Alpha we have 1 upon 2, beta we have 1, 1, gamma we have minus 2 plus minus 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 is equal to C upon A. C is minus 5 and A is 2. 2 cancel by 2. 1 upon 2 minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 5 by 2. Take LCM. 1 minus 2 2 ja 4 and 1 2 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, minus 5 upon 2. 4 and 2 6, minus 6 plus 1, that is minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2. So second relationship is also verified. The third relationship we have, that is alpha beta gamma is equal to minus D upon A. Alpha 1 upon 2, beta 1 and gamma is minus 2. D we have 2 and A also have 2. So 2 cancel by 2, we have here minus 1. Minus 1, 2 cancel by minus 2, minus 1. So minus 1 is equals to minus 1. All three relationship between zeros and the zeros on coefficient are verified. So students, we will do these type of question like this.